This was a very unfortunate incident that happened today at 8:30 in the morning. Our aircraft MI-171E, which was on a normal training mission, departed Moi Air Base at around 8:10 on a training mission that involved several crew. As it was coming to land, we got information that it crashed. Some people have been rescued and they have been taken to Nairobi for treatment. A few who are on board are feared dead, but we are not sure of the exact numbers, and therefore until we remove the wreckage and conclude with the scene of the site, we will not be able to tell you exactly how many have passed on. The aircraft was okay, and therefore we have put an investigative team to come on ground and do a thorough investigation to find out what could have been the cause of this flight. Meanwhile, I want to appreciate the support we have received from the county authorities of Kajiado, who were able to come to site to join our rescue team in rescuing the survivors. I think for now that's all I can say. Thank you.
Tell us the number of those who have...
As I told you, I don't have the exact numbers because we are aware that some have been trapped, but we don't have the exact number. So until we establish the number, inform the families, then we'll be able to tell you.